Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Franklin, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can be able to create a one-page website for free all by yourself. All you just need to do is to stick to the very end of this video, as I'm going to be sharing with you how you can be able to use CARRD.co to create a simple website for yourself or for free. So if you are an affiliate marketer, or you work online, or you do business online, all you just need to do is to use this particular CARRD.co. CARRD is spelled CARRD.co. You can use it to create a simple one-page website for yourself to start up your business and direct people to it. So basically, a website is where you drop information about yourself or your businesses, or what you do, or what your business holds for your customers. This is where you can be able to collect information about them, collecting their information and the rest. So CARRD.co gives you the opportunity to create a simple, free, full, responsive one-page website for pretty much anything. So it gives you the opportunity to create whatever thing you want. So what does CARRD.co gives you? It gives you many opportunities for you to be able to create a simple landing page for yourself, even from scratch, so that you can be able to build what you have in mind and get the best out of your website. Apart from that, it still gives you the opportunity to be able to create your website using your laptop, which is also compatible to your phone. So this one gives you the opportunity not just for you to just create it and then also go to your phone, to the phone setting, in order for you to set it or to start resizing it. You don't have to do all of this, because they have been able to customize it and make it in such a way that it can be able to be compatible for both your laptop and your phone. They also give you the opportunity to use it for free. So you have to build your own website using the pro account and using all the CARRD features, all for free. But if you want to use other features in which it allows you to put your custom domains, you're putting more websites, and for you to be able to add forms for what you want or for your business, this is where you have to subscribe to the pro plan in order for you to be able to use this particular website all for free. So all you just to do right now is for you to go straight by signing in order for you to get started and start using CARRD.co and all of that. All you just do is you come to this place and say choose a starting point. You click on it. Once you click on it, it will load up. So it will bring you to this page where you have to now choose a starting point, whether for you to create from scratch or for you to create using the template that have been provided. Now, looking at this place, you see they give you the option for you to create depending on what you have in mind. Whether you want to create a profile for yourself. If you want to create a profile for yourself, this is the template that is being provided for you. And what if you want to create a landing page? There is also a template for that. You want to create a form for yourself, you need to use some of these features that you are seeing here. What about the portfolio and also a section and also section? All of these things are different templates that are being provided for you to make use of, depending on what you have in mind to create. So all I have to do right now is to come back to this particular area where I have to choose one, so that we can do a practical and see how we can be able to create a simple landing page for ourselves. Right now, all I have to do right now is to just choose one out of these and see how we can be able to create a simple website. So guys, I'm going to choose one of these templates, and let me choose this one so that we can get started with it, so to create it practically. Now, this is what will appear in your screen or your phone once you open this particular area in order for you to get started by creating for yourself. So these are the different feature elements in which you need to understand when you are creating. So I'll click on OK. So once I open this particular one now, it will appear like this. Now it is now time for us to be able to create and put in what we want. Remember, we want to create a simple website. It can be an opt-in page in which you need to tell people what you want to do, or what you are all about, or what your business entails. Right now, in this particular aspect here, it gives me the option for me to put in my image, so I can be able to put in my image. As you can see here, they say upload an image, so I'll go to my profile here and choose an image about myself so that I can be able to put it in and then get started with it. Let me use this so that we can, so I'm going to crop it so that it can be the size of this particular page. So when I'm done, I will say accepted, and then I will allow it to load up. Right now you can be able to see that you have the option for you to be able to put in some text so that in case someone clicks on this particular image, the person can go from this particular area to another page if you want. But I don't want to do that, so I'll click on done. Then once I'm done with that, I just want to do something very simple so that on your own you can be able to create what you have in mind. Now I'm going to input the text, and for you to be able to put this text, you don't have to put it here. This is the area where you can be able to do that. Right here, I'm going to just put in my name so that we can be able to see how it goes. I'm going to put in my name so that we can see how we can go with it. So here I have the option for me to put in some formatting so that this my name will be able to be bold. It can put it in asterisk and all of that. So here in this option here, you have the opportunity to be able to put in some fonts. So here I have to put some asterisk in order for it to be beautiful. Just watch how they design their own website. As you can see here, it has been able to come up. So once I'm done with this, I just want to do something simple. Then I can be able to come to this area here. Here, let me just input my name to here. Let me just put in another name here. Okay, KC here. Okay, so let me just put that there. I can also decide to change the formatting by putting an underlying word, as you can see there. So I can just decide to put this. So all of this is just for you to play around it and you see how it goes. As you can see there, this is how it appears right now. I'll click on done. Once I'm done here, I'm just going to put in some simple text in which I can describe what I do and all of that. So I'm going to put in some text here so that I can be able to get started with it. So I've been able to put in the text. So I click on done. Here in this action button here, you can also edit it. You can now decide to put in your action button. What do you want to put your action button as? If you want to put it as contact me or whatever, depending on what you have in mind. So I'm just going to put contact me. Let me just use that for now. And here you have the option for you to select this action button so that once they click it, it can be your website name, it can be your YouTube channel. All you just need to do is to look for each here, and as you can see here, you have different options for you to choose and all of that. Okay, I can decide to choose my WhatsApp as here, contact me. Now I have to put in the URL link of my WhatsApp. So I have to put in my URL link of my WhatsApp here. So you can just do the same and you create, and I click on done. So once someone just tap on this icon here, it will take the person directly to my WhatsApp. Now I have the option to also decide to put in this icon or remove them. So all I have to do is to decide which of the link in which I want to put. If you have a sub tab, you can also do that. I'll just remove it. I don't need it. You can decide to put your Instagram handle here, your Twitter and your messenger. I'll just leave my Twitter and my messenger here. All I have to do is to delete first and then add them back. Okay, let me just delete this. Now I have to edit right now. In order for me to be able to do this, I have to put in my URL link to my WhatsApp to be able to do this effectively. So I have to put in the URL link which I have inputted here. Then the next thing I have to do is to decide whether I want to change the color or the font or all of that. I want to leave it like that since this is a little tutorial I want to do. So let me say I want to put my Instagram handle here. All I have to do is to come to this area here in which you see the plus icon. Whatever thing you want to do, whether you want to put in a text, list, image and all of that. Here I want to put in a button. All I have to do is just to click on it. They are asking me where do you want to put the button and all of that, assuming I want to put a button and all of that. So but if I don't want to put in a button, all I have to do is to delete it. So this is what I just want to create right now in order for me to get started. So I can just decide to put in additional information if I wish to and all of that. But right now I think I'm done with this particular creating this page, and this is how simple and effective in which you can be able to create a one-page website. And this is how it is on the laptop view. Now if I click on this icon here, it will take me to the mobile view. Let me see how it is on the mobile. As you can see here, this is how it is on the mobile view. It is just simple. I don't need to start resizing anything and all of that. Very simple, very simplified and all of that. So once I'm done, all I have to do is to come to this tab here and also publish the site. Now for me to be able to publish this site, it will require me to put in my email, my name, my password, and then I confirm all, and then click on it, put the title, and then I confirm. So once I publish it, it will be able to save and I can go through this website. So I have to put in all of this information right now and then get started with it. So once you put in your name, put in your password, all you just need to do is to come here and agree to the terms and conditions. Now you now have to put in title. Let me just put in a title. Let me just write my name again and just use it, Kelechi Franklin. Let me just put it as the title. Then, Franklin. Then I come here, I can put a description is sometimes required and all of that. Let me just put website as just a description, and then I come here, I go down again, I will publish it with CARRD.co and then choose the domain name KC, and then I will now click on publish. Once I click on publish, it will take me to this very next page. So guys, after publishing, it will appear like it will tell you that your publishing has been completed and you should check your email. As you can see here, you say you are almost done. Check your email and click the verification link we just sent to your email account and publish your new site. So what I'm going to do is to click on OK. Then I have to go to my email account and see and verify this account so that I can be able to use this website. So guys, as you can see here, this is the email that I was sent to me by CARRD. So all I have to do right now is to click on this verification button here. Once I click on it, it will take me to the website, and as you can see here, and it's saying this will verify your CARRD account. Once verified, you will be able to publish your live site, upgrade your plans, and access other features of your CARRD platform. So all I have to do is to click on this verify account, and as you can see, it's loading up, and that is it guys. As you can see here, it says all set, your site has been successfully published to kc.carrd.co. So all I have to do is to click on OK. So guys, once I'm done and everything has been published, all I have to do is to come down here and then copy this link address here. This link address is what can give people access to this particular site. All I have to do right now is I can just decide to come to a new tab here, paste it, and then see how it looks like when some people search on it. So this is the link I'm going to share to people, and once I share it, they will be able to come to this site to know more about me. So as you can see guys, we have been able to create this website and is up and running and is live. So all you just need to do is to understand how to create it. It's so simple. Just take your time, create it, and be able to know how you can be able to do that. In order for you to go to the pro plan, it's just for you to understand the different plans that are available. And as you can see, the pro plan gives you the opportunity to be able to create a website in which you can be able to have a template or forms for yourself. As you can see here, The pro plan, which is $9 per year, this which is quite easy and cheap for anyone who wants to build a website, you can be able to get started with this. And if you still want to go to the pro standard plan, which is $19 per year, you can still go, which has a higher feature. Like this $9 aspect gives you the opportunity for you to be able to create all of these things, but it doesn't have the form aspect for you to create a form. That means in order for you to collect your customers' information, you need to use this particular aspect, which is the pro standard plan, which is $19. So you can be able to get started with this and then make good use of this particular website with the other feature and pro templates which are made available to this particular website. But for me, I can say that you can also go through or use the normal basic plan or normal free plan, in which is allowed in which is given to everybody to use for free. So all you just need to do is to get started with it, and then you see how you can be able to use this particular website for free. The free version can give you what you want depending on what you have in mind of creating. So guys, for you to be able to reach to this very aspect of this video, it shows that you really know what you want, and I would really appreciate to give this video a like and subscribe to my channel if you have not done so, and turn on the notification icon so that YouTube will always notify you whenever I drop educative and informative content like this. See you on my next video. Peace.